vho-Mosimane vho rambiwa kha iyo mbekanyamushumo miṅwahani miraru yo fhelaho. Fhedzi mbekanyamushumo ya khakhiso nga vhulwadze ha COVID-19.
What we are going to hand over to Coach vho-Mosimane this morning is the CAF Pro license, which is equivalent, the same as the UEFA A license. And the A license, the Pro license, means that this coach is now qualified to coach any team anywhere in the world. So he stands as the first South African to be counted amongst such coaches.
Iyo mbekanyamushumo yo vha ina vhagudisi vha 23 vha maimo a nṱha. Vho katela vho Alusise wa Senegal, vhe vhathu vha tshipuka tsha Africa Cup of Nations. Vho Florent Ibenge vha RS Berkane na mugudisi wa Wydad Athletic Club, vho Walid Regragui. Vho-Mosimane wa vha ina mugudisi a yeṱhe ano khou bva dzingoni ḽa Tshipembe ha Afrika.
For me to be part of that program is, you don't apply to be in that program. You are invited. So they invited East African coach who was coaching for DRC and Vita, which is top guy. Now he's in Hilal, a good friend of mine, Florent Ibenge, and they invited on the west of Africa. They invited Aliou Cisse, you know him, he just won the AFCON, and to SADC or maybe South. I was lucky to be invited to be part of all that delegation.
Vho-Mosimane ndi vhone mugudisi vho no thubesaho zwipuka zwinzhisa fhano Afrika Tshipembe. Vha khou thoma mbekanyamushumo ya vhana vha zwikolo kha mitambo ya zwikoloni.
We are happy that we are handing over a recognition and certificate of a pro license coach who is not looking only at the top, at the Champions League and the AFCON, but at grassroots, where the players come from.
One of the methodologies I'm using for my school sports, I received it from the German Football Federation through the program that SAFA took me to. So it's a give back with the school sport. We'll talk about the school sport when you have time. Of course, I had to get the blessings and also understand the structure of how SAFA works with the schools, because I'm only a technician.
Vho-Mosimane vha kha ḓi ṱoḓa thimu nga murahu musi vho shegulusiwa nga thimu ya Al Ahly ya Egypt. SABC News, Johannesburg.